Okay, good evening. Welcome to
MathyMath number 154.
MathyMath number 154. So this morning we looked at x cubed minus 1, and tonight we're going to look at x cubed minus y cubed. Is that something you also looked at this morning?
Yeah.
Okay, in your book. Okay, so how does this factor?
So this is x minus y
X minus 1.
times x squared minus xy, or plus xy,
Plus xy.
plus y squared.
Plus y squared. Okay. And we are going to do something that we looked at this morning, and I brought this over here, but it's actually falling apart, which is a little frustrating. So let's put it over here. We're going to do something like very similar to what we did this morning. Can you double check this on camera, actually?
Yeah, it's on camera.
Right. We're going to look at a cube, a 5 by 5 by 5 cube minus a 2 by 2 by 2 cube. So we're going to get x is 5 and y is 2 here. So we're going to get 3 times 25 plus 10 plus 4. Okay. So can you show me where the 3 25s are?
So that's these 3 complete layers.
It's these 3 complete layers. So they're falling apart. I can hold them together. So there's 3 5 by 5 squares on the bottom. Those are the x squareds. Where are the tens? Where are there 3 tens?
So if you look at this part, you have a 10 going like this.
Okay.
2 by 5.
You have a 2 by 5, and how many of those tens do you have?
You have 1 here, 1 here, and 1 here.
Okay.
3 tens.
So you have 3 tens. And yeah, we actually probably better not take those apart because we'll never get them back together. So we have a 2 by 5, and then we have 3 of them. See that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And then this is what we're left with. I guess I got the red on the bottom. And what is this?
This is the 4s. You can look at them like this.
Okay.
1 4, 2 4s, and 3 4s.
Alright, so we had 3 of the x squareds. Alright, and now let's see if we can put this back together without it falling off. Let's see if we can see it in general. Okay. So
in general, there'd be x minus y of these.
okay,
These
great.
layers.
So if we start with an x by x cube, and we assume x is bigger than y, so we start with an x by x cube, and we cut out a y by y cube. So how tall is this?
X minus y.
It's x minus y, which is what we have here. And how big is it? Are each of these layers?
They're x by x.
So they're x squared. So we get that. Okay, so that's cool. And now we're left with this on top. Okay, and what do we have now?
Well, we're gonna have we'd have so you'd have layers that are x by x minus y. It's x by x minus y, and then there'd be y layers.
Okay, so how can we understand the x minus y and the xy with this?
So the x by y's are xy here.
Okay, where is the x?
So the x is this.
Okay, and where is the y?
Well, the y is how tall it is.
How tall it is. So this is y tall and x long. That's the xy.
X minus y wide.
And x minus y wide because we took out the cube here. Right?
Mm-hmm.
And now this is the last bit we have.
This is y tall,
It's y tall,
y wide,
y wide.
and x minus y long.
So what term does that give us?
That gives us this term.
Y squared, y by y. Oops, sorry about that. Y by y.
Mm-hmm.
And then it's x minus y long. And why is it x minus y long?
Because you cut out the cube and this is what's left. X minus y. This is x.
Uh-huh.
You cut out y. So it's x minus y.
Okay, so that 3 is x minus y. That's pretty cool. So I wanted to do that tonight. So we did x cubed minus 1 and x cubed minus y cubed. Tomorrow we'll look at x cubed plus 1 and x cubed plus y cubed. Good job tonight.